Yo! Welcome back to our channel!
And we're doing another slime video.
Yeah.
And we're doing slime review. And I'm going first. So, first one is I'm doing the crystal putty.
I'm doing the glow slime.
So the crystal putty is pretty strong. It's hard to stretch. It's okay. It's pretty hard to stretch, as you can see. But it's actually pretty good slime, so I'd rate it a 7.
This glow slime is really watery and sticky. I think it's sort of like melted. But it is still slime.
And it glows.
Yep, but it is a bit sticky. Maybe in one video, Ben can send me it, and he can send me it glowing in the dark so that I can show you guys.
Yes.
It also smells bad, so I would rate this a 3 because now I have to go wash my hands.
Okay, so I'm doing mine. No, you just wash them.
Oh.
Now, the next slime that I'm going to be showing is the neon slime. Now, I had trouble guessing it. We did a video. Did we post it with us? Yeah, I think we did. I don't know. Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we did.
We had to
The
guess.
blindfolded slime review.
Yeah, it kind of ended, but it doesn't matter. And this one I had trouble guessing. I got it in the end because I could feel the top and I could tell by the jiggle. So I'm gonna rate. It's not. Look at that. It's kind of stayed at the top. So you can see, yeah, it's not really that good.
I would rate
But
it a 5.
I was thinking
or
6.
6.
I'm gonna give it a 6.
So I'm going to be doing this fluffy putty.
Ooh, that one's really good.
That's going to be arcade. And it's really good for the stretchiness because of how stretchy it is. It just keeps stretching. Maybe a 9.5.
I think it's a really good.
Pocolos,
It's really good.
9.9. And then unicorn bubble bees. It's got a unicorn on the front of it.
Alright, so now
Can't
we're
do
doing our next one.
So I rate this one a 10.
So that's the best one so far. So now we're coming into our next one, and this is my next one, the neon slime. Everyone says this slime isn't that good, but I actually really like
Can you
it.
feel it?
It doesn't really stretch, but it is really good. So I'm going to rate that a 9. I think it's really good. If it could stretch a little bit more, I would have gave it a 10, but it's still really good slime.
So I'm going to be doing this cotton foam gum, the pink one. So let's just listen to those pocolos. We'll be posting later on in the week.
Yes,
Definitely.
hopefully. This slime makes farts that I'm about to show you guys.
After I'm done. Alright, so this is a bubblegum slime. Oh my god, smell it. It smells like bubblegum.
Ugh.
It smells like strawberry bubblegum. Yum.
I'm trying to see what I'm
The
going to...
pocolos are definitely a 10 out of 10. Stretching,
You have to rate it the whole thing.
maybe 5.
Yes,
But
I
if I had to rate the whole thing, I would definitely rate it a 9.5.
I'd rate it an 8. But my turn.
9.5 because of the colours.
Now we're doing the slime. It's like a coloury one, kind of like the crystal putty,
Have you done 3?
but yeah, it's a little bit different. It's a little bit different, but it is good. It's not stretchy. That's the thing. It's not stretchy like the crystal putty that I rated a big number.
And
so
it's not stretchy like the fluffy
but it feels
putty.
pretty good. So I'm gonna give it a 7. I think that's a pretty.
So
reasonable.
next I've got the blue cotton foam gum. Let's
So
see
you don't
what
even
this
need to
smells
review
like.
that one.
Let's see if this one smells any different. Oh, I got it all out of one.
I have 2 left after this.
I've got 2 left as well.
Oh no.
This one smells like blueberry.
That's better.
Can you guys smell it?
Probably not.
Yes. Just go get blueberry.
I prefer that one over the pink.
Now, this one is a lot better. So this one goes straight to a 10. It's much stretchier.
It smells better.
It smells better. It's really good at the little bubble noises.
So yeah. Yeah, so now it's my turn.
And it's really good at pocolos
Ah,
and stretching.
cool. Now it's my turn. We are doing this slime. I don't know where the container is. I actually chucked it out because it would have been easier. And I have this one. So I like this slime. Like, actually love this slime. It is a very, very jiggly slime. It doesn't really stretch. It stretches a little bit, but it's alright. So I'm going to give it, but did you know it's really fun to play with? So I might rate an 8, I think. I think that's reasonable.
Yeah,
an 8.
that is reasonable. So the next one, I've got this gold glitter, Elmer's glitter glue slime that we made. Well, I made it, he fixed it. I helped fix it. It's because my brother.
It's a 10. I just think.
Just like the bubble.
So that's a 10.
That was the best poking.
That's a 10.
That was the best
10.
bubble.
That's a 10.
We both agree that it's a 10, but let's see if it can make a unicorn swirl. And let's see if it can do my favourite slime trick. Yeah, it can do my favourite slime trick.
Okay, that's my turn.
10.
Alright, my last slime is.
Wait, how about we do these two at the same
We'll go through
time?
our last. So, this is my slime. This is her slime.
And
that
this is his
mine.
slime.
So we're going to review each other's.
So he made a green clear glitter.
And she
slime.
made like a purple, light purple.
Now for these, we're going to explain how we made it and what situations we went through. So for Ben, he had never made a slime before.
And I did awesome.
You did do awesome, except I had to help you quite a bit.
No, you didn't. You only had to help
Ben
me.
had clear glue, I had white glue. And that's
And,
a pretty good white glue slime, and this is a pretty good clear glue
See?
slime. But I have made better slime with not Elmer's glue. So Elmer's glue is the best glue to make slime with. But I think I made a better slime than this once. They're both at my house right now. I'll grab them and bring them for a separate slime review.
So that was really. So what do you rate that?
10.
10? Alright, now I think this is pretty good. If we can see, it does kind of break a little bit. If you see closely, it kind of breaks a little bit. Look at it. See, it just breaks a tiny bit. I like it though. I think
You guys can see us through the slime.
I think I'm gonna rate this at 9.5. It's really good, but I just look at that. It just breaks. But
Now-
it's good for 2-person bubbles.
We've got 3 10s, so now we're both going to rate them out of 20. So whatever. So we both rate
Our
it
best
out of
3.
10.
Our best 3.
Yeah. So we both have to rate it out of 10. And then
These are my 3. You can't see mine, but they're my 3. And they're her 3.
and here's my 3.
Alright, so
now we're going to be doing the review.
this one.
So these are my 3 that got rated 10.
Yeah, these are my 3 that got rated 10.
You didn't rate those 2 10, and that was 9.5.
Yeah, well, I had no 10.
Oh yeah, these.
So these were the closest.
Oh yeah. Right.
This one I may consider changing. This one I have to actually give a 10, I think.
So these 3 I definitely have to give a 10. I love the green turquoise colour.
I'm giving
I
this
love
a 10.
Gold.
Do you know what?
Do you know what? I will do that.
I've got an idea. I'm going to upgrade this one to 10 because I just think it's good. This one I have to keep it what I said, and I think I said an 8. This one I'm moving it up a tiny bit to 9. I just said I'm going to upgrade this one up a little bit.
Yeah.
So now we think we are pretty
I'm
much
gonna start with the gold one,
almost done.
and I'm gonna fix it with some foam soap that I just brought.
This one I can't really fix because
It's still bought, and you
It's-
don't really want to wreck it.
I don't want to wreck it because it's really good at the moment. If we can see that, look at that. It's really good. So, if you didn't hear me, I upgraded yours to a 10 just.
Yeah.
and I upgraded this one to a 10.
Yeah.
The crystal putty, I have to stay with a 9. Or move it up a tiny bit.
I would keep it at 9.
Okay, this at 9, 10, and 10. So I'm going to start with this one. I'm not going to put soap into this one, only because it's fine.
I've added a tiny bit of soap into this one, and right now I'm mixing it.
So that's...
The soap has made it feel really soft. Feel it then.
Ooh. Oh.
See, 5 squirts of soap does help.
Alright, so I finished with my neon. Now I'm going into my crystal.
Now I'm just gonna keep fixing it.
Crystal putty, I think it needs
Alright, so I'm gonna do my review, then you
So I think this
one is really good. Since we're both rating them, for Ben's Neo Slime, I would rate it a 7
out of 10.
Yeah.
Gee.
And for this one, I would rate it a 8.5 if I'm being a strict
Is it out of
judge.
10?
Yeah.
9.
So 8.5 and 9. What did you rate the Neo Slime?
9.
Neon? 9, alright. So 9 plus 7.5 is
16. No, 15.5.
0.5. And then
The neon slime.
9.85.
So now we're doing my next one, and it is the putty. Feel it. I don't know.
I think it needs some soap.
I'm not
One
sure.
squirt.
Let me, because it's my slime review. You've already done yours.
I need more soap in this one. This one's getting bad. After you add the soap in, it only feels good when you're mixing the soap up. So let's put it down a bit.
Oh, that feels better. Oh, feel it. Oh.
That feels good.
You can't see me now.
Yes, I can. The slime's in the way.
Well, I can't see. Maybe put it
In the middle.
Ooh!
That slime container.
I think I'm just gonna be better if we do this. See?
Yep.
Oh, this feels so... Look at it! I've fixed it. So I think I have to go for 10 now. I'm being strict. What do you think for this?
5.9. So pretty much a 6.
I'm saying 10. I really think... I don't believe that. I think if you look at it closely, the soap has helped and it can stretch.
Well, I feel like it needs a tiny bit more working on, as in not the colour, but how it stretches and the feel of it.
It's
stretch.
stretch.
So, like,
It's
water
better
and
than better though. It's better than it was.
It's a lot better.
I'm gonna do one more squirt, just because it's so close. Yeah, that's it. That's perfect. Feel it now.
Wait 1 minute. I'm
Feel
just
it.
getting this off my hands.
Feel it.
Look, I changed the colour to a light gold.
Just feel it.
Really
Feel it. Feel it. Feel it.
pretty.
Quick, feel it.
6.9.
I think it's almost a 10.
Alright,
So I'm gonna say an
this one.
8.9.
Feel like I made it better. It is a bit sticky, but we can easily buy an activator.
What is that? Or
Good, right?
I'll give it a. I may change my score. Give it a 8.4.
8.4. So 8.4 plus 9.9 is
I don't know. You should do the math.
17.9.
Alright. So we have our last slime to review.
Oh no, I've got 2 more. I should do mine first. So I've got my fluffy slime. I'm gonna add 1 squirt or 2 squirts of slime to it. Oh, sorry, just to this.
1. I think that's pretty good.
It is already good. I just want to make it a bit softer. No, not softer, structural. Whoops.
Alright, guys, it's
It's not that long. We'll have a couple more minutes. So,
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!